So, it is once again RWT day, as you can see.
It was 27 at Binghamton, 29 at Monticello,
January
13th.
12/13.
At Pittsburgh, it was cloudy
No, I said
with a
January
temperature of
13th.
29. In southern New Jersey, it was sunny, and the temperatures
Oh.
were 39
12/13.
degrees. Southampton, Maryland, it was mostly sunny.
Yeah, at this point,
It
you're probably
was
bored.
38 at Hagerstown and 41 at Baltimore.
I'm trying to see if I can, like, get it, like, a
10 a.m.
good...
Eastern Standard
see if
Time
I
at
can,
Mount
like...
Pocono. The temperature was 28 degrees. A few weak, fast-moving and moisture-starved troughs of low pressure at the surface and aloft will move east across the Finger Lakes and Leatherstocking region early today and late tonight, Thursday morning, bringing plenty of clouds but only some light snow showers with minimal accumulation late tonight and early Thursday. A better chance for light snow accumulation from more numerous snow showers returns Friday night into early Saturday as a more potent area of low pressure approaches from the upper Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. A period of steadier snow is possible over the western Catskills Saturday morning. Here is the National Weather Service forecast for Honesdale. Today, cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of snow showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-20s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of snow 20%. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. West winds around 5 miles per hour. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 20s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Friday, mostly cloudy. Highs around 40. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Friday night, snow and rain showers. Lows around 30. Chance of precipitation 80%. Saturday, rain and snow showers likely. Highs in the upper 30s.
Alright, should be coming in any second now. It's now 11:03.
Partly cloudy.
Should be coming in any second now.
Here is the National Weather Service extended forecast
Come on.
for Honesdale. Sunday,
Come on.
mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 30s. Monday.
Here we go! Here we go!
This is the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, New York. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning would follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems. Here is the National Weather Service extended forecast for Honesdale.
Well, there you have it. Hold on me. Well, either way, caught it.